guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is December's Glossybox video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jane. I love to do hauls and reviews. I'm into fashion and lifestyle, so go check out my other videos. Right, just before we get into the video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would really help my channel. So today's video is about the Glossybox monthly subscription box. If you haven't heard of Glossybox before, then it's basically a monthly subscription box which you can usually pay around sort of £12–13 with delivery, and you get a box of goodies every month. Now you can cancel at any time. I'll try and leave a link on the screen of a discount. Usually they've got a discount if you're new to Glossybox, new customers get a discount, so I'll leave that on the screen. I'll also leave it listed below. But obviously every other month we get a sort of a special box which usually comes in kind of like a slightly different sort of style of box apart from the normal pink one, so they're every other month. But obviously with it being December, we do have a lovely December box to look at. So instead of the cardboard box this time, we have this lovely metal box that you can obviously keep and reuse again and again. It is a lovely collectible box as well. I literally have, I don't know whether you can see, I have a lot of my boxes kind of up there, if you know what I mean. They're like the special ones that I want to keep, and this is going to be one as well. So I do like to display them sometimes. But obviously this one has all sorts of, it's lovely blue colour. It kind of looks like space and time, and it looks very mystical, I've got to say. It's got some snowflakes on there as well, and obviously the moon and that. So that is beautiful. It's a really nice box. So obviously opening the box as well, you usually get the card as normal, which tells you everything that you're going to get. Generally it comes with a little ribbon, but I've actually undone this already. But usually it's ribboned and a little sticky as well. And you also get some nice sort of tissue inside. Just makes it really nice opening this every month and finding some new goodies. I found some amazing products with Glossybox, stuff that I'm going to buy again, and it just gives you that chance to sort of try out new things without having to spend loads on the budget. So generally you get about 5 items, and like I said, the cost is about £13, but generally you get way more than what you pay, so it's definitely worth it. So looking at what we get this month, is we get 6 items actually, which is really good. So we obviously get and you get so much more than what the box is worth. With paying about £13, you'll find that some of this stuff is full-size products and they are well worth the 13 quid, so you end up getting your money back before you've even started. So looking at the first item, we have got some Elamis, which is in this month's box, which is absolutely amazing. This is the first time that I've got some Elamis in a box. So this is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. It obviously is sort of like a travel size. It's a deluxe size actually is what they call it. This is actually worth £15 just for this deluxe size. Now obviously Elamis is quite an expensive brand anyway. It's basically dab on the high points of the face and used as a highlighter. So it's actually a highlighting product. So let me just... it is actually, they all come sealed as well, which is really good. Let me just open it. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand there. I've got a tiny little bit, I don't know whether you can see, on my hand. That's very nice. It's very subtle, but I didn't put those on, to be fair. It's very subtle. It's not like a proper highlighter. It's obviously just like a moisturising highlight, but you can just add a little bit, if you wanted to just put a little bit on the cheekbone or whatever, it'll just give you that kind of little bit of a highlight, which is really nice. But I do love Elamis stuff anyway, and it's the Kombucha Glow Moisturiser, so it's really good. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that one, so that's going to be wonderful for Christmas as well. Right, next up we have something from Lasplash. Again, this is quite a popular brand within Glossybox. This is the Moonlight Glow sort of compact there. Now this should have been £25, so obviously right away you've got your money back so much, honestly. This box is so worth the price. So just showing you what's in here. This is a face palette, so these are the kind of the colours that you get. So I think that's a blush. This one's kind of like a bit of a blush with a highlight, and then you could use this one. This is a bronzer you can use, and you can use this one as a blush as well, I think, because it's got more pinky tones. But yeah, you get a mirror with it as well, and like I said, this should have been £25 from Lasplash. I do like the sort of design of it as well, which is really nice, again based on the moon and sort of nighttime and space sort of thing, which I thought was really nice. So that's in keeping as well. I love the sort of foil on there too, so that is really, really nice. It actually says on the back what everything is for. So you've got the blush, the bronzer, and then the blush and the highlighter, which is I think exactly what it said, but it does explain everything on the back there as well. These are cruelty free as well, which is really important. So yeah, that's the second item in the box. Right, so the next item is actually a brush. This is by the Spectrum collection. Now, I haven't heard of this before, but obviously in keeping with the sort of moon and the blue and everything, this is a brush. So this should have been £8.99, and I believe it's just it's a nice brush actually. Oh, I kind of love the end on that. Look at that end. It kind of looks really kind of really good quality and really expensive. So it should have been £8.99. It's got a lovely sort of end on it there. It feels absolutely so soft, really, really nice. So this is actually for a highlighter, so you can basically use your Lasplash palette and just add some highlight to your face or to the little spots that you want to use it with, so that's really, really good. It has got the branding on the brush as well. So that's that one, and that was £8.99. Right, the next one is a Beauty Pro product. So this is a retinol under eye patch. If you haven't heard of retinol before, it's basically an anti-aging, usually cream or a serum that sort of fights wrinkles and aging and that sort of thing. And these are good because you're going to target the area by wearing them underneath the eye. This should have been £1.95. It's a one use only, but it's really nice to have if you're having a little bit of a pamper night. It does explain exactly what you do with it on the back. It's basically just some patches that you pop under the eye, leave them for 20 minutes, and they should sort of eliminate any fine lines and wrinkles. So really good to keep in your routine. And again, these are all cruelty free, which is really, really good. So that was that one. Right, the next one is for your hair. So this is Brave New Hair. This is sort of like a hair serum. This should have been £5. It's a keratin hair mask as well, so it's going to smooth the hair, it's going to treat the hair, and it's going to give it a bit of like moisture and protection. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a, smells like coconuts. So it smells really, really nice. So this is actually a full-size product as well, and like I said, it should have been £5. So you've got so much in your box already, but that is a really nice one. Again, it could be used on a pamper night when you're going to be sort of giving that extra special treatment to your hair, and maybe you're going to use the patches as well. Right, number six. Right, number 6, we have a perfume sachet. So this is nice to just be able to test different perfumes with that, because we all know perfume is really, really expensive. It just gives you a chance to try some other one. Right, this is apparently a bit of a lucky dip, so I'm not actually sure what kind of perfume is in here, and it is just a little extra that we're getting. It doesn't actually cost anything because it is just a sample. But yeah, you get that as well. So they're giving us a little bit of an extra one this month, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to open it and just give you a little idea of what it smells like. So it is just a sachet. Now, this isn't my kind of smell, I've got to say. It's, for me, it's a little, oh, it's now actually spilling out of the packet. So I'm going to wear it for today because it's coming out of my packet. It is more of like a woody scent, which is really not my kind of scent. To be honest, now that I've got it on, it's a little bit nicer. I think you've got to kind of let it sit a little bit just to see if you like it. So yeah, it isn't one that I'm going to know what it is because I'm not actually sure. So a bit of a weird one that, but it does smell a little bit better once it's on your skin, because it has to mix with your sort of pheromones as well. So you do get that as a freebie this month, as an extra. So yeah, that's that one. And then because it's Christmas, they threw a little bit of dark chocolate in there as well, which is the Lindt sea salt with dark chocolate, which I'm gonna eat in a second. So yeah, that is that one. So that's everything for Glossybox. Don't forget, I'll leave the code that I can find on the website down below. If you're a new customer, you'll get some money off. Yeah, and you can cancel any time. So if you just want it for 1 month and then you want to cancel, you can do. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.